Another question that I get is, isn't alcohol good for me? Don't I need some alcohol in order to reduce my risk of heart disease? People hear this, that, a glass of wine, a drink a day, a couple of drinks a day is actually good for your heart. It's good to reduce your risk of vascular disease. Well, the truth is that it seems like one drink a day may actually have some benefits to reduce risk of heart disease, but that doesn't mean that you can just use alcohol injudiciously. The reality is that alcohol actually generates a lot of free radicals in your body. Just like smoking cigarettes causes free radicals in the lung, alcohol causes free radicals all over the body. So we know that the body can only safely metabolize one alcoholic drink in a 24-hour period. So that means you should really have only one drink in a 24-hour period. So when I say that, a lot of people say, I better get a bigger glass, Dr. Meschino, if I can only have one drink. A lot of my students say to me, can I save it all up till Saturday and have all 7 drinks on the Saturday night? The way your body works is that you really can't do that safely. And I'm really stressing this point because we know that after cigarette smoking, the second leading environmental cause of cancer, believe it or not, is actually alcohol consumption. Those are the words of the National Cancer Institute. I'm not making this up. And because we know that 2 drinks a day or more are strongly linked to an increased risk of, or doubling your risk of breast cancer if you're a woman, doubling your risk of colon cancer for men and women, and in men it increases the risk of prostate cancer. There's a strong association there. The Harvard alumni study showed that. Other studies have shown that. Also, cancer of the oral cavity increases with alcohol consumption. And your brain is damaged by alcohol. Don't forget that. It's a neurotoxin. Your liver is damaged by alcohol. And it ages you. It'll accelerate the aging process. So you don't need to have alcohol. If you're trying to program to reduce your risk of heart disease, you don't have to have alcohol. But if you're going to have it, then have only one alcoholic drink in any 24-hour period. Try to use that as a rule of thumb. And if you do that, then you'll decrease the likelihood that alcohol will have a detrimental effect in your particular case. If you enjoyed this video and you felt that you got some meaning from it, then I would really strongly recommend that you go to meschinohealth.com and you can sign up for my newsletter so I can coach you on an ongoing basis. As I review the scientific literature from around the world every month, I send out a little weekly message like this that brings people up to date on the latest things they should do so they know how to look after themselves properly. You'll also see how you can get a free download of my book called the Meschino Optimal Living Program, 7 Steps to a Healthy, Fit, Age-Resistant Body. It's a book I believe everyone should read. So you see how you can get a free copy of that when you go to meschinohealth.com. So hopefully we'll have a chance to meet again and I'll be able to provide you with ongoing lifestyle coaching that's going to be meaningful so you can have a highly functional body and mind for the longest period of time.